Hey there! Welcome to Tagembed. In this video, you will learn how to embed a YouTube feed on any website. Sign up and create your Tagembed account. If you already have an account, log in by using your Google or Facebook account. Or you can simply fill in your credentials and log into your account. You are now on the Tagembed dashboard. Click on the Create Widget button on the top right corner of your screen. Give a name to your widget and create the widget. A pop-up will appear to pick a source for creating the feed. From the given options, choose YouTube as your source. You can add YouTube feeds via channel URL, playlist, keywords, and location. For this video, we will be using channel URL. Simply paste the YouTube channel URL. Click on Create Feed. YouTube channel feeds are collected on your editor screen. But it is not necessary that you want all the channel videos on your widget. For that, go to Filter and Moderation panel at the left sidebar. And remove the videos you don't want to be visible on your feed. You can do this automatically or manually according to your requirement. You can also add a custom CTA button with a link on your social feeds to make them clickable or actionable. For example, a download app button with a link to download mobile app. To personalize your widget, click on Personalize and Layout option, present on the left side of your screen. Personalize widget window allows you to change the theme of your widget. You can select the theme that best suits your website. Also, you can change the background, add a banner to your widget, personalize your card style. In the theme settings, you can change dedicated settings to your theme from wide options. After making desired modifications, click on Apply Settings button. Good work! Now you have a personalized YouTube widget, ready to drive users' engagement. It's time to embed it on your website. Click on Embed Widget button. Choose your website CMS platform from the given options. Here we choose WordPress as an example. Adjust the width and height according to your need. And copy the embed code. Now go to your website backend. Choose Custom HTML and paste your embed code here. Update the page. Congratulations, you have successfully embedded Facebook feeds on your WordPress website. Now increase engagement and redirect users to your other services using Tagembed.